This is commutation circuit kit. In this, we are going to study line commutation, class A commutation, class B commutation, then auxiliary commutation and complementary commutation. So let us observe step by step. Let us observe first waveform for line commutation. This is the block. So AC signal is given internally. We have to connect thyristor to the circuit and we can observe the waveform for line commutation. Here, this is the input AC signal given. Now connect anode of SCR to the anode of SCR. Then cathode is connected to the cathode. Then this point B is connected to the gate point, and then we can observe waveform here. So this is the line commutation. Using this spot we can vary the angle. So this is the waveform for line commutation. For class A commutation, connect power supply positive here, then negative of probe is connected to N point. This point is connected to the negative of power supply. Then point O is connected to the anode. Point P is connected to the cathode, and then gate drive 1 output is connected to the gate of thyristor. Now we can observe waveform across load here. When switch is to the right side, high output is coming across load. Keep it to the left side, it comes down. So thyristor commutates. For complementary commutation, positive of supply is connected to E point, negative is connected to F point, then anode of thyristor 1 is connected to H, then cathode is connected to point Z. Gate drive is given to the SCR1 gate drive. Now anode of SCR2 is connected to point I, then cathode is connected to point L, and gate of that second thyristor is connected to gate drive 2 output. Then we can observe waveform across capacitor as well as at point H and I. We can vary the pot given nearby to the gate drive 2 to vary the timing of on and off timing of thyristor. Similarly, we can observe waveform across second thyristor. So this is complementary commutation. Now for class B commutation, connect positive of supply to point Q, negative to point R, then main thyristor anode to point U, cathode to point T, and then we will short this diode. Gate drive 1 is connected to thyristor 1. For auxiliary commutation, main thyristor is connected to point U and point T. U is connected to the anode of thyristor, T is connected to the cathode of thyristor. Auxiliary thyristor anode is connected to point S, then cathode of auxiliary thyristor is connected to point T. Gate drive 1 output is connected to the gate of thyristor 1. Gate drive 2 output is connected to the thyristor gate of SCR2. And we are observing waveform at point T. We are getting waveform like this. We can vary the duty cycle using the pot given nearby gate drive 2. So like this we are getting waveform. Thank you.